Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Look what I got. Let's begin. Alright guys, this is what's next. This is a 1986 El Camino, and it's gonna get a full respray inside and out. So I hope you guys are gonna stick around so you can enjoy this series of this El Camino. I am gonna remove the glass, the front windshield, and also the back windshield. I want everything to get inside, all the paint to get inside. The customer already removed all the trimmings, so we're going to be painting it the exact same color. It's going to be a two-tone, and I am going to show you how to do it. I am going to show you how to fix some minor dents. It has some minor dents here and there. We're going to be block sanding it. We're going to be doing a whole lot of stuff to this El Camino. I've always wanted to paint one of these, and here it is. We're gonna be doing it like a show car. This customer has a lot of plans, good plans for this car, so let's make it right. Let me show you the inside. He already started. He painted the inside. Looks real nice. This is another one. He brought me this one. I'm gonna see which one I'm gonna use, either this or the one it has on right now. He also brought me another tailgate because this one's a little beat up, but I think I can work with this one. So we're gonna see. We're gonna be working. The door does have a little bit of surface rust on the bottom that we're gonna address, and there is some rust here. There's a big hole right there that we're gonna address. All of these issues are gonna be taken care of, so hope you guys stick around. It does have some rust right there, but all of this is going to be addressed and done the correct way. I am going to show you how to address those kind of issues, and this is going to be it, guys. This is a real quick video as to what's coming up next. I hope you're going to stick around for these videos, and I am going to show you step by step how this car is going to turn out. And this will be it. All right, thank you very much, guys. I'll see you this Wednesday and this weekend. Stay safe. Hit that little thumbs up, hit the subscribe button if you're not a subscriber, and like always, God bless.